So if you have rusted above ground pool parts like these, the track, the top track, the stabilizer bar and the top plate, just like these, we have an inexpensive way to repair this, and we want to share this with you. And actually Penny wants to share it. Is that okay, Penny, if we share this with everybody? This is the first part we're gonna replace. It's the stabilizer bar, and we can replace it using this plastic piece. It's a strong piece, flexible, and you can use this to hold down your liner. It's not gonna rust, and it's not expensive. You can find this piece for a price between $5 and $8. What do you think about that, Penny? Good deal? So we can show you where you can get this. So here's where you can find your lattice cap, or the lattice fence section. Here is the lattice cap. 798, local home improvement store, and it's 8 foot. So we have the second part that we want to replace. It's this top plate, and we found a piece we can use. Here it is. It's this plate that we can use by cutting it. We can cut it and spray it and make it be used like the original material that we have. So what do you think about that, Penny, huh? You like that? Oh yeah. So this is the third part we're gonna replace. This is the top track. You can see it needs replacements, badly rusted. So we found something that we can use, and here it is. It's this plastic panel, strong, sturdy, and it's inexpensive. What do you think, Penny? Will that work? So we'll show you where we can find this. Vinyl fence. Here it is. It has 15 panels. I'll have the sizes for you. So here are the results in replacing the top plate, top track, top rail, and that stabilizer bar. Everything looks good, nice and sturdy, amazing. Penny, what do you think?
Oh my goodness, this is such a show off.